Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and making both devices discoverable. This gets them talking. Next, verify compatibility so the receiving device can accept app packages and close background apps that interfere. Once done, bring devices within 1-3 feet for a stronger connection and turn off Wi-Fi tethering if it conflicts. Make sure battery levels are above 20% to avoid interruptions. Now open the App Manager or File Browser to locate the app APK or shareable file. That's the first actionable step. Now locate the app package. Export the APK from the App Manager or select the app file in your File Manager. Tap Share, choose Bluetooth, and then select the paired device name. You'll see a pairing code or prompt. Confirm it on both devices to ensure a secure link. Transfer begins after confirmation, and progress appears as a percentage or status bar. Make sure you don't move out of range. A sudden distance or phone sleep can pause or cancel the transfer midstream. Once the file arrives, accept and save it to downloads or a selected folder, then open the file to install. On Android, enable install from unknown sources only if necessary, and follow on screen permissions to complete setup. After installation, test the app to confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, for example transfer stalls or install fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart both devices, then retry. This simple reset resolves most connection and permission hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.